Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And this is, I think, the third or the fourth video on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to teach you today how to set a path in your Visual Studio Code. So if you can see my screen, if I have any projects, let's suppose I am in, okay. So if I have to change the directory that I'm in right now, so cd and projects, no, sorry, desktop and cd projects. So over here, there are a couple of projects that I have. So if I have to use Visual Studio Code directly from the Bash terminal, so I'm going to teach you how you can set the path so that you will be able to use it, and it's just, makes it more convenient for all of you. So if I select cd admin, like, so it auto completes. I'm gonna teach you this one in the next video, but at the moment our main priority is this. See, now it shows that the command not found. So all you gotta do is you just have to open the Visual Studio Code. Once it is open, you just have to go to command palette and see, just in case if this doesn't show, you just have to type code and it will show up in this command palette, and you just have to click on it, and it will ask you that are you sure that you have to do it. You just have to click OK and just enter your password. If you have MacBook Pro, which has a touch bar and a touch ID, just put your touch ID and it will be done. So if you want to test it, just go back and just check this. So you're in the same directory. So what you have to do, you just have to do this. There you go, done. All right, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.